Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about something incredibly important that will play a significant role in our life, right? From school to becoming a successful entrepreneur, all we need is pronunciation. Yes, with that you will boost confidence, right? So today I would like to talk something about pronunciation. Pronunciation is the way in which we articulate and pronounce the sounds of the words, right? It might seem like a small detail, but it's actually a game changer. It shows how you perceived and understood by others. Good pronunciation is the foundation of effective communication. Imagine you have a brilliant business idea, but if you can't convey it clearly, your message might get lost, right? When you pronounce words correctly, you build confidence. Yes, that's true. It boosts your confidence. Whether you are pitching to investors, or talking to clients, or leading a team, remember clear communication and proper pronunciation is the key here. All right? Improving your pronunciation, sharpen your listening skills, and it seems like a small change, but it leads to a big change in your life, guys. It will take you to the big opportunities. This confidence will not only make you feel more comfortable while speaking, but it instills trust in your listeners. That's why I'm super excited to announce a new series of Mastering Pronunciation. In this series, I will share the tips and tricks how to master pronunciation. So don't miss. Subscribe to my channel if you are looking for the first time, and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my pronunciation series updates. Let's embark this journey together to master pronunciation. Yes, guys, I'm super excited. How excited you are to learn pronunciation? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to ask your questions by commenting, okay? And share your feedback, all right, in all the episodes. Thank you for listening to me, guys, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, wish you good luck. Take care. Bye bye.